If you want some last minute, very easy and super quick dessert that you can gift to your colleagues at an upcoming Christmas party, well, I'm here for you to save the day. Let's roll. So this recipe yields about a plate and one wrapped present of Florentines. Yeah, that's how they're called. And did I mention it's like 10 minutes of work? Anyway, heat up your oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius first, because prep will take just a couple of minutes. Now get the biggest bowl you have, and in it, add in 300 grams of plain cornflakes without any sugar. I don't want to see any of that Tony the Tiger cornflakes. You have beef with him. They're not welcome here.
Man, Tony, it's tough.
Don't worry, Ace. We've practiced.
You be good.
Frosted Flakes good? They're great!
Oh, I know what you did. Get out of my face! That's taken care of. Now, to the plain cornflakes, we will add a bunch of different seeds. This is where you can improvise and add whatever you like. But two of the most important and essential seeds will probably be poppy seeds. Love this stuff. I started to feel kinda dizzy. Whoa, I feel great. Awesome, I have opioid addiction. Just kidding, this is not how you make opium. To make opium, you will need a... Now the other one is sesame seeds. Just plain sesame seeds, not toasted. These two are the essentials and you will need a fistful of each. Now I went to town and added also a fistful of chia seeds. Be careful with these ones, they can get you bloated. They can absorb 12 times their weight in liquid, but they're good for you and your cholesterol and health and in general, I guess. So it's worth it. Anyway, now last seed I'm about to add, and you should too, is sunflower seeds. They're not essential though. Love to snack on these little fellas. You can get addicted to eating them real fast. I can eat all of them in one sitting really quick when I start. But addiction aside, now everything is done. You don't have to mix it with a spoon now how I did. I have no idea why I did so, and maybe you should too. Okay, anyway, now the last and final ingredient is a can of condensed milk. It's like 13 ounces or 385 grams, and I know you can make it yourself, looking at you, Joshua, but in my humble opinion, it's literally not worth it. So just pour it all in the bowl, and now is the most important part. Mixing everything very well with a wooden spoon. The spoon can be any type of material. Make sure to mix everything very well so that almost every cornflake is covered with condensed milk and all the seeds are spread out evenly throughout the mixture. Don't let anything clump up in one spot like on the spoon. Once done, everything will still seem to fall apart way too easily, and that's okay. Don't worry. Now get a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and start adding in a spoon each of this cornflake mixture to the sheet pan. Now the only thing to look for is that all of the flakes will be smushed together and touching as much as possible. Now nothing will stay in one place at this moment, but once in the oven, the sugar in the condensed milk will harden and glue all the pieces together into the goodness people call Florentines. Just try to make all the cookies as even thickness as possible so everything bakes evenly, like I did here. Also, the size doesn't matter, just know that equal size and thickness will cook evenly. Awesome. Now it's ready for the oven and will be there for only 6 to 7 minutes. It should change color a bit, so just don't let them overcook like I did with this batch over here. It's not the end of the world, but the burnt sugar taste is not the same as the ones that are just golden brown and perfect. Let them sit for a bit to harden, or if you're in a hurry, just lift them quickly on a flat surface and let them cool off completely there while you get another batch of cookies in. They're super yummy right from the oven, but don't let your desires win this time. I could finish the whole batch instantly. And these are all done. Now we can wrap them in plastic wrap like so with a bow and gift it to someone for Christmas or any other holiday or just any day. I know it's not the prettiest job, but maybe you're better at wrapping stuff. These are delicious, and that's what matters the most. Enjoy and happy holidays. Peace!